now here inside the van going to Balingwan Port. From Agora Terminal, guys, you will ride a van going to Balingwan Port. So the fare costs 120 pesos per person. Travel hours from here to Balingwan is 1.5 hours. So let's go. We're trying to catch the last trip, which is 4:30. So let's see if we can. Guys, we're now here in Balingwan Port. So this is the port going to the Binoni Port in Camiguin. Ticket is 210 pesos, including the terminal fee. We're now on board the shuttle ferry, guys. So that is the Camiguin Island. The beautiful sunset. Our float was supposed to be 4:15, guys, but it's already 6 p.m. It's really delayed. I don't know why. And by the way, guys, in the ferry terminal in Balingonan, just a travel hack. If someone will approach you, if the driver will offer you a ride going to the port from the ferry terminal ticket counter, don't accept it because it's just walking distance from the ferry terminal going to the port. What's your name? What's your ngalan? Sa? Alaysa? Alaysa, ikaw?
Alita.
Alaysa o Alita? Pareha lagi mong naong lagi. Nga pareha mong naong. Oh, tagaanta mo ana o chocolate.
Thank you.
Yeah. Just arrived here in Binoni Port. We're gonna find a van going to city or Mambahaw area. We're so tired and hungry because we haven't had lunch yet because we're trying to catch the last trip of the ferry going to Binoni Port. So maybe we'll just have our very late lunch because it's already 8 p.m. So we made it here in Mambahaw, and right now we are having our very late lunch and dinner because wala gid mi nakakaon. Haggard sa kayo mi. Ngaon sa mi. Right, made it here in Lanzones Cabana, which is located here in Mambahaw. And we'll be staying here for the night. And yeah, tomorrow is another day and we're very tired. Oh, so tired. I think we're gonna wash, guys, and rest because we'll go to White Island tomorrow and other tourist spots here in Camiguin.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys! Official day 1 here in Camiguin. So we're going to White Island and do our tour here in Camiguin. So we're staying here in Lanzones Cabanas here in Camiguin, and this is our room. So let me give you guys a room tour. So here's the entrance. It's a 2-bunk bed. So they also have a small desk here. So they have a free water. I'll walk you to the beach back. They have a TV. And look at the roof, guys. It looks like a container van. It's really a small room. They also have hanger and 4 towels, and yep, the toothbrush happen there. And they have a switch here. Yeah. Aircon. There's a toilet and a shower room. Yep. So this is our room, guys. Okay, so we'll go now. Let's go. So we're now going to the White Island terminal, which is just walking distance from our accommodation. Camiguin consists of 2 islets, which is Mantigli and White Island. Today we'll go to White Island. Tomorrow we'll go to Mantigli. Do you want guys to have breakfast first? Where? Yeah, we'll find a place for breakfast. There's a local restaurant here. Okay. Then having breakfast, guys, and we're going to the island. I can see it from here. So we're now here in the terminal, going to the White Island. So this is where you're gonna pay your boat. So the boat is $4.50 for 4 person, and then the entrance fee is 50 pesos per person. So we now have our boat, guys. It's boat number 1. You can stay there until 5 p.m. but I don't think we can stay there. Nakadugay kay init gid kayo, so maybe magstay lang dito mga 2 hours lang siguro, and then balik namin dito. We're here. Swaki. So beautiful and fresh swaki. Init gid kayo diri. You need to rent an umbrella just like this. It costs 150 pesos. Mura siya. Crowded gid kayo siya. Kaya tungod summer siguro. And then it's a Saturday, so daghan gid kayo tao diri. Okay, siguro picture lang siguro may, and then balik namin sa mainland. There's nothing special about this island for me, because it's really crowded. I've been to Kalangaman, and I see like it's just like a Kalangaman, the crowded version of Kalangaman. Very hot, guys, so poyong na lang good me. It's 150, guys, for the umbrella. It's very sweaty. Hi, guys! Sunscreen jacket. Ang kutis first lang. Gotta put the sunscreen, guys, because it's really hot. It's very long sandbar, guys, there. And that one there, over there, is the Mount Hibok-Hibok. It's nice here, but one thing I don't like is that it's really crowded. I suggest if you want to go to White Island, you do it kanang wala pag tao gani, like matamog 4:30 siguro, and then you go here at 5 to avoid the crowd. We're going back down because it's too hot. It's blazing hot. Made it back in the mainland, guys. My plan is to tour around the island. We'll just rent an arila. It's a tricycle here in Camiguin. So let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Kuya.
Ada life jacket ya?
Life jacket mo.
We were able to get the arena for 8 hours na siya na duration, and we are 4 persons, so divided by 4. So we'll go first to the Santo Niño cold spring because it's already at 10:30 in the morning, and then after we'll go to other places.
We're now here in Santo Niño Cold Spring, guys. Look at this, guys. It's only 150 pesos. It's very affordable. In Bantayan, this costs like 200, 400 pesos. Huh? Here in Camiguin, what's this, ate? It's a chicharon pusit. Amazing. Buko, because it's very hot. It's only 10 pesos. Okay, so entrance fee guys is 50 pesos per person. And this is where you're gonna get your ticket. We're gonna get tao guys. And there's no more available table.
Totoo lang mo. May tambutan na
Okay,
tapos
sige,
pilit ang
let's
bag.
go. Looks like a normal swimming pool.
Yep. Yeah, dili. Uy, kailan to ah. The bottom is rock.
Yeah. But it's not what's in my mind. Like when I see cold spring, wow! But it's okay.
Expectation versus reality.
That's always expectation versus reality. There's a lot of people here and there's no more milk. There's a fish pa here for 10 pesos guys. You can also do fish pa there.
During noontime because it's very hot. When it's hot, it's hot. So right now guys, it's 11:30 in the noon. In the morning. Oh, it's so
Look at this guys.
And also rent Papabita guys. It's only 20 pesos. Uy, it's so big guys. Kuya, kuya.
There is a barbecue here guys where you can buy. It's only 10 pesos. And then there's also a carinderia here where you can eat your lunch. Beef steak. It's only 10 pesos guys. It's really affordable here. Manamigaon guys. And we're looking some souvenirs here. Look at this guys. Oh, lanzones! Selling t-shirts here guys. And guess what? The t-shirts are only 120 pesos and the white one is 100 pesos. It's really affordable, huh? And is it nice? Comment below if it's nice. This is one of the foods here in the Philippines. It's called kipi, which is made from cassava, and this black chocolate here is alatik, which is
Melted sugar?
yes, melted sugar. It's like a biscuit. When you come to the Philippines, guys, you should try this one. It's called kipi.
It's like street food.
Look at the view, guys. Oh.